Now here is how we can use the Yahoo Mail on the Android phone. So let me explain it, and if you're new on Foxtecc and first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more ways how we can use it. Like, people don't realize it, but by default we have plenty of mail clients already on our phones. So I had the Gmail app pre-installed, and I also had the Microsoft Outlook pre-installed, so you don't even technically have to download anything new to start using the Yahoo Mail. So you can just go to the Gmail as such, click on your account, add another one, and literally sign in here to the Gmail app, but through the Yahoo Mail. And you can do the same thing through the Outlook as well. Just go in here, add account, and just sign in with the Yahoo. You can even see the logo in there, so it is going to in fact work. So that's like the two options which you can do even without downloading anything. But on the Play Store, if you go there, you can naturally download the dedicated Yahoo Mail, and this app is fine because it works, as a standalone app. You can get inside and similarly sign in with your Yahoo Mail. This is what it would look like once you are in. So you are greeted with the inbox right there. So I'm gonna click on this and this, so I can only read my emails. I can get inside, it's like the first email welcoming me in here, and it kind of works like the general email client. Like, you can open up emails, you have the button to delete, reply, forward, move somewhere else, or even more, like you can archive, mark it as spam, or print it. So the regular stuff you have when it comes to emails. You can also click on the pencil icon at the bottom to create a new message, where you have the standard tools of choosing the recipient. You can expand it and do the carbon copy or BCC, and also type in the subject, text, everything as you want. You have the attachment right here. You have the photos attachment, and also the GIFs, which you can for some reason add to your emails as well. Then in the left panel, when you click on the profile picture in the top left, you can manage your account. You can upgrade to the Yahoo Mail Plus, so you can get the access without ads and more storage if you're into that. And also some other features like your settings and other inboxes and folders and everything in here can also be managed. So that's kind of how it works. As you can see, we can go to the settings, add more accounts, do some changes, whatever, but that's essentially how we can start using the Yahoo Mail. If you have some specific questions about this, leave them below in the comments. I have a lot of tutorials specifically about Yahoo Mail on this channel already, but I'm willing to do more. So if there is like a demand for more questions or more topics, leave them below, but don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later.